Hey everybody, it's Pam, and today's project we are going to work on more of the pieces for the watermelon collection. I am doing a tag with a watermelon popsicle and then a little stack sign like a book stack type sign that is also part of this watermelon collection. So I'm going to stick with the same colors that I've been using with the other projects for the watermelon collection. And we're just going to get all of this painted and then we're going to get it all glued together. I'll do a little bit of detailing, a little bit of shading. And basically that is pretty much it for this project. I've been traveling, so I just got home a little while ago. I was back home visiting with my mother, so I wanted to get this to y'all so that you can see. Now, this collection has been listed in my Etsy shop, so it is all available. And since you're a member of my painting group, and if you're seeing this not in the painting group and you have not joined yet, be sure to join Pam's Wood Treasures painting group. It is free to join and is a free private group where I put my videos and also give each person who is a member, you get a discount code and it's in the group itself. So be sure to check that out. Don't forget to use your discount code, guys. It's 15% off, and it's usually enough to at least cover like shipping and stuff. So be sure to use your discount code. Other than that, basically doing like the same colors, the same shading, the same sanding, and just doing everything just like I've done with the other projects. So I'm going to leave y'all here, and I hope that y'all have enjoyed this watermelon collection. And like I said, it is available in my Etsy shop. If y'all have any questions or if you need help with anything, please just let me know. And I hope y'all have had a great weekend, and I hope y'all have a good night. I am exhausted. I've been traveling all day and just got home a little while ago. So I am going to go rest and get ready for the week. So in the meantime, if y'all have any questions, please, guys, just let me know. Reach out or comment below, and I'll be more than happy to help y'all out. So I will see y'all tomorrow in another video. Y'all have a good night. Continue watching, and you'll see me put it all the rest of the pieces together. So thanks for watching, and I'll see y'all in another video.